Okay, so after we get the fans installed, then it's time to move into putting in what we've termed the A-frame. It's the Adventure Wagon frame, and it's what's behind the walls. It's the engineered wall bracers, the ceiling speed struts, and the wall system that indexes for all the holes that you will punch into the side of your vehicle and set with the rib nuts so that the track will fit perfectly every time. And this is the main difference with the 2.0 kit. So we spent a lot of time designing it to index off of a couple of OEM holes, and we'll show you on the install video, and index to each other so that it'd be very difficult, though probably not impossible, to make a mistake installing this so that your track is in where it needs to go. They're all labeled 1 through 10 for the 144, and you actually install them in sequence. So you'll install number 1 first, number 2 second, so on. The other thing that's important to realize is the numbers are positioned on the piece so that when you put it on the van, you actually read S for Sprinter 1. And if it's upside down, you will flip it over. If it's reading backwards, you will put it on the other side of the vehicle. So you just want to make sure that it reads nicely S1, S2, S3, etc. and you'll know that it's in the right position. So we'll take an overhead shot here and we'll be able to kind of go through the parts. With the A-frame, you will get a bag of install hardware here, and as we move through the install video, you'll notice the difference, but all of the pieces are available, including the rib nuts, to go through this step of the install. So I'll lay all these out and we'll go ahead and take a look at it.